Calling the attention of Mr. Albert Isberto. Mr. Albert Isberto, please proceed to Command Center. Mr. Isberto to Command Center, please. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. At for today's video, dumating na po ang pinakahihintay natin ng ITC audio products natin coming from overseas. Ayan na po, ito po ang ating basic public address setup ng ITC. So meron tayo dito ang paging mic, gooseneck, condenser type to, and yung switch nya, and yung interconnect nya, yan yung standard female na XLR. Tapos meron tayong power adapter dyan, so 48 volts yung kaparehas na ang phantom power supply natin, no? So yan yung cable nya na included. Tapos yung dulo nyan is yan yung PL55 na connector, nakatusok yan sa mic 1 input. So yan, kabit lang natin guys, no? So kakabukas lang na ito. Yan yung power adapter nya and yung XLR. Okay, ito yung power mixer amp natin, no? May kasama na rin yung media player, Bluetooth, SD card, AM/FM tuner. Yan yung 100 volt line or low impedance. Meron siyang selector dyan. 100 volt line or yung low impedance natin hanggang 16 ohms. Okay, very compact lang yan guys, no? So, saktong-sakto sa mga small setup natin. Okay, yan yung mga knobs nya. Okay, ito naman ang ITC ceiling speaker. 6-inch yan. May tapping yan ng either 3, 6, or 9 watts. Okay, nandiyan yung color coding nya. So maganda rin yung enclosure nya guys, napansin ko. Medyo matibay yung plastic nya. Okay, yan yung transformer. Nandiyan yung mga tappings, no? Malinaw na malinaw yan. So 3, 6, or 9 watts na tapping. Next is yung ating horn speaker. Yan, ang ganda ng enclosure niya ito guys. Pang outdoor talaga. Ang tibay ng kaha, metal enclosure. Ayun. And then ang mga specs niya, and then yung tapping. So 15 or 30 watts. So yun guys, impedance testing muna tayo ng load. So meron tayong dalawang speaker dyan. Ang reading natin is around approximately mga 250 ohms. So pag sinukat mo yan, sakto yan 40 watts. Pag inad mo calling the attention of Mr. Albert Isberto. Mr. Albert Isberto, please proceed to Command Center. Mr. Isberto to Command Center, please.